Sirikal ni okang' mar rwako dos maromo milion 3.2 mag chanjo mar gayo tuo polio kod dos milion 3 ne chanjo mar BCG masani ni e port. Jagoro mongirore e migao mar thieth Ouma Oluga oyango ni gidhi bedo ka gichiwo yedhe chanjo mag TB gi polio masani kwan ne ni piny ka ibiro kaw kuom kaontis maromo 35 kipogo ne kaontis maromo 12 ma mekgi oserumo kirito mago mabiro donjo pachoka. Omedo ni yedhe manie port biro chopo e osuptende e ndalo aboro mabiro.
As we speak, we are running low of the vaccine for BCG vaccine, which is the vaccine for TB, and also we are running low on the polio vaccine. And those are the only two vaccines that we are running low on. We have 2 weeks of stock. As we speak, there are 35 counties that still have the vaccine, and around 12 counties that have run out of the vaccine. And what we are doing is to redistribute. For example, we have taken some vaccines from Garissa back to Nairobi, from Meru and Embu, back to other counties in Western, such as Chanjo. And we are trying to make sure that we share what we have in the next few weeks. But we also have good news, and today I want to announce to the country that we have today received at the port polio vaccines that is undergoing clearance, and in the next 8 days those vaccines shall have been distributed countrywide. And that means that as we redistribute the 2 weeks of stock that we have across the country for the hospitals that have run out, we are trying to get the hospitals that still have a stock, and we are very grateful for the facilities that are sharing out.